Did you know your hair care routine is missing a citrus-powered secret? Grapefruit oil isn't just for salads. It's a game changer for your hair. From boosting growth to banishing buildup, this zesty oil is packed with vitamins, antioxidants, and scalp-loving benefits. But wait, are you using it the right way? Stick around, because today we're spilling the juicy details on how grapefruit oil can transform limp locks into luscious, head-turning hair. Let's dive in. Grapefruit oil for hair. Benefits and how to use it. Grapefruit essential oil has gained popularity in recent years as a powerful natural remedy for improving hair and scalp health. Derived from the peel of the grapefruit through a cold pressing process, grapefruit oil is rich in nutrients, especially vitamin C, and boasts a refreshing citrus scent often used in hair care and skincare products. What is grapefruit oil? Grapefruit oil is extracted from the rind of the citrus fruit using a method called cold pressing. This process preserves the oil's natural properties and fragrance. Known for its strong, clean aroma, grapefruit essential oil is commonly used in shampoos, conditioners, and scalp treatments. Key benefits of grapefruit oil for hair. 1. Fights dandruff and scalp irritation. Grapefruit oil contains potent antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that help cleanse the scalp, reduce flakiness, and soothe irritation. It can help treat dandruff by removing excess sebum and maintaining scalp moisture. 2. Balances scalp microbiome. Grapefruit seed oil may support a balanced scalp environment by combating harmful bacteria and yeast. Scientific studies show it is highly effective against bacteria, including strains resistant to antibiotics such as MRSA. 3. Reduces greasiness and sebum buildup. Due to its natural astringent quality, grapefruit oil helps regulate the scalp's oil production. If your hair gets greasy soon after washing, grapefruit essential oil can help reduce excess oil and buildup, making hair feel cleaner and fresher for longer. 4. Promotes a healthy, shiny scalp. By improving scalp health, grapefruit oil can contribute to stronger, shinier, and more manageable hair over time. Its antioxidant properties also help protect the scalp from environmental damage. How to use grapefruit oil for hair. Scalp massage. Mix a few drops of grapefruit essential oil with a carrier oil, like coconut or jojoba oil, and massage it into the scalp. Leave it on for 30 minutes before washing your hair. Shampoo boost. Add 2 to 3 drops of grapefruit oil to your regular shampoo to enhance its cleansing and oil balancing properties. DIY hair mask. Combine grapefruit oil with ingredients like aloe vera or honey for a natural hair treatment that nourishes the scalp and restores shine. How does grapefruit oil help to control hair loss? One of the lesser-known yet powerful benefits of grapefruit oil for hair is its ability to support healthy hair growth and reduce hair loss. This effect is closely linked to its antioxidant content and its ability to improve scalp health. Oxidative stress is a major factor contributing to hair loss. It occurs when there's an imbalance between the production of reactive oxygen species, ROS, and the body's ability to neutralize them. This stress damages scalp cells and can trigger scalp conditions like seborrheic dermatitis, atopic dermatitis, and psoriasis, all of which are known to contribute to hair thinning and shedding. Grapefruit oil is naturally rich in flavonoids and vitamin B1, both of which play a role in improving blood circulation in the scalp. Enhanced circulation means more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the hair follicles, which helps nourish and strengthen them. Thanks to its antioxidant properties, grapefruit essential oil may reduce oxidative damage and promote a healthier scalp environment. This creates the ideal conditions for new hair growth and helps prevent further hair loss. In summary, regular use of grapefruit oil on the scalp may improve blood flow to hair follicles, reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, nourish the scalp and stimulate hair growth. This makes grapefruit oil for hair loss prevention a promising natural remedy for those looking to strengthen their hair from the root. What are the side effects of grapefruit oil? While grapefruit oil offers many benefits for hair and scalp health, it's important to be aware of potential side effects and safety precautions before using it. 1. Do not use internally. Grapefruit essential oil should never be ingested. Consuming it internally may lead to toxic effects and interfere with certain medications. It is intended for external use only. 2. Always dilute before applying to skin. Applying undiluted grapefruit oil directly to the skin can cause irritation or an allergic reaction. To prevent this, always mix grapefruit oil with a carrier oil such as coconut, jojoba, or almond oil before using it on the scalp or skin. 3. Risk of allergic reactions. Some individuals may experience skin allergies or sensitivity to grapefruit oil. It's recommended to perform a patch test before applying it to a larger area. Apply a small diluted amount to your inner forearm and wait 24 hours to check for any redness, itching, or irritation. 4. Increases sun sensitivity. Grapefruit oil is photosensitive, meaning it can increase your skin's sensitivity to sunlight. If applied topically, avoid direct sun exposure and use sunscreen to prevent burns or skin damage from UV rays. Safety tips. Do not apply undiluted grapefruit oil to your skin or scalp. Avoid sun exposure for at least 12 hours after application. Perform a patch test before first use. Keep out of reach of children and avoid use during pregnancy unless approved by a healthcare provider. By following these guidelines, you can safely enjoy the benefits of grapefruit oil for hair without risking side effects. If you're looking for a natural solution to greasy hair, dandruff, or an itchy scalp, grapefruit oil for hair might be the remedy you need. With its antimicrobial, antioxidant, and oil-balancing benefits, this citrus essential oil can help you maintain a healthy scalp and beautiful hair naturally. And there you have it. Grapefruit oil might just be your hair's new BFF. Whether you're fighting frizz, craving shine, or reviving your scalp, this oil's got your back. Don't forget to mix, massage, and let the magic happen. Loved these tips? Smash that like button, subscribe to HeInfo for more hair hacks, and ring the bell so you never miss our next juicy tutorial. Drop a comment below. Have you tried grapefruit oil? We'd love to hear your glow-up stories. Until next time, stay radiant.